Westland Sea King.
That's right.
These went gangbusters.
Yeah, they're sold out in a couple of days.
No,
They're back now.
I love it.
Yeah.
So are these
newer.
is it Australian? Is that the one?
No, this is British.
British ones.
Yes.
Why are they so popular?
Why are they so popular? I think they're because they're really hardy.
Oh,
And I think they're used in the US as well.
good kit. AIRFIX.
This is a magnificent kit. It's
Has
one of
Jack
the
A done
newer.
one?
No. I don't know. He's more into attack helicopters, I think.
Loves his attack helicopters, doesn't
Should we chop this open?
he? Why not?
I've got a feeling this might have a folding tail.
What do you mean folding tail?
When they're stored away, they fold the tails, but I might be wrong.
Why is it a belt drive? What do you mean? How do they fold the tail? You could be right. It looks like.
Well, you can see the hinge.
Yeah. Are you
Oh,
kidding?
no, let's have a look.
How do you fold the tail?
I don't know. I can't remember if this is the one. We'll find out. Look at that. That's the smell of AIRFIX.
Straight
I
from
reckon
the
that's
dungeons.
I reckon that's a foldy
Can I
foldy.
say that?
Yep, it smells like it. Let's just show this bit. I think this is the most impressive bit.
It's the smelliest box.
Excuse me.
No, not you.
There we go. Might be a bit hard to see because these are all sealed up, but I'll try to show you the details on. Look at the rivets on that.
Oof.
These are actually deeper than the rivets that I showed you before in the Rebel kit. So these are going to be.
Does it mean that you can rub them harder?
Yes, so if you're sanding, you got less problems of them all getting sanded out. And I'm pretty sure that's the foldy bit for the tail.
Have you ever put rivets into a kit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can use a rivet roller to mark out all the marks, and then use a fine drill just to make them a bit more
Oh, it's not.
pronounced.
It's not the second. It's look. Excuse me.
What's going on?
Whoa!
Who's this guy?
Who is this guy?
He's just his handsome, good looks just took my breath away, literally.
Some random.
A
Come on
random?
in, Copester.
Oh, right. I'll join you.
Because
I'm just looking at this.
poor BJ was
Sea King.
just fumbling his way through a
What
Sea
is
King.
that?
That's a foldy for
Does
the
it
tail,
have
right?
a foldy tail?
Yeah, it does. It folds up for the carrier. And all of the propellers, the rotors,
The rotors,
swing back.
right?
So they can clip them back.
Yeah, and they get held on this like mount on the tail boom as well.
I
Does it
Pretty
have
good.
that in the instructions?
haven't looked at them yet.
Oh, okay. Well,
Would that help?
it might. It might tell you what like possibilities it has.
Should we have a look?
Yeah, you go. You guys
Go
have
on.
a look at this.
Yep.
I'll go do some shop stuff.
Yeah, sure.
You have fun.
Yeah.
Play nice.
Do you need? No, I'll go get them.
What are you getting?
I forgot to get some more of these. You know the little
I'll go grab
144.
some. I'll go grab some. All right, guys. I'll leave you with it. Have a
Easy.
great show.
Thank
Alrighty.
you. All right.
All right, let's check it out, eh?
Instructions.
Yep.
Cool.
And we're going to look for the foldy. Oh, look, those nice big decals.
Oh, that's cool. How many schemes you reckon? I'm gonna guess
Oh, that's
3.
bright, isn't it?
Oh, it's good. Nice register.
It's good, isn't it?
That one yellow. What is that? 4 upper, 4 lower, and 1 upper and lower. 1 yellow rotor.
Is that so they can see it moving?
Oh, that's probably so they know which one needs to be pointed back when they fold, right?
Oh, I
Because
don't
they
know.
fold in a sequence. They couldn't just randomly fold
Oh,
back.
look at all the options here.
What is
So
this?
depending which version you're doing, depends on which holes you open up. That's a bit like a Tamiya kit, right?
Hmm.
Oh, you can really smell it now, can't you?
Come on, AIRFIX. Change your boxes.
That's right. I've
Change
told
the
AIRFIX
boxes.
that they got stinky boxes.
Called them up. Called them out.
No. Well, they were here. And I said, you got to do something about your boxes. They stink. Okay, so there's your option for the deployed tail. Okay, so it's got that insert.
Big question mark.
Yep. And then the folded is such.
Aha. Interesting.
And then we're going to have a look at the rotors, right? Which would be
This
towards the
big
back.
radome thing. Radar, I don't know. It's
Mm.
cool.
Oh, look at that, opening doors.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we've got the rotor hub.
Here we go.
Okay, so
Look at that.
that's deployed and that's folded. Has it
Oh,
got-
what's the...
Oh, so that's folded. So it doesn't actually have the brace,
No.
which I'm sure someone would have made one, right?
Yeah, probably.
Mm.
There's probably like...
That's pretty interesting.
Yeah, it's just so
Yeah,
it fits on the
deployed
carrier.
or fully folded up.
I like the
I like
box
that.
art. Did you show them the box art?
Oh, probably really quickly. Yeah, it's
Wait.
nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
I actually like that that scheme where it had the fluoro on it. That
Yeah, the
rescue
silver
scheme.
and grey and fluoro.
Yeah, it's cool.
No fluoro on your decals though.
No, so there's a lot of stenciling. That's big, isn't it?
Just paint it.
Paint all the stenciling.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, that's what you meant. That.
Mm.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Cartograph? No.
It's not cartograph, but it looks very thin. Looks pretty decent.
It's no Tamiya.
Well, to me, it's normally pretty thick, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, there we go. That's a nice kit, I think, and it's back in stock.
Great.
Yep. All right, let's
Look
see
out.
what we got here.
What do we got?
Well, I was looking for guesses for the little car. No
Got
more
more.
takers.
2 grams.
Yeah, we paid that one.
You paid it.
Well, it's like the answer. It's 1 to 2 grams. So here,
Oh.
and it's a Go-Go mobile, but
Go-Go.
no one knows which one it is or which year. Haven't guessed the color.
Really? Start
Yeah.
guessing.
That's right.
Come on.
Yep,
I'll give you.
bring it on.
I'll give you 100 each. Hang on, I'll put the instructions in.
Did you say 100?
100 guesses each.
Oh, 100 guesses.
100 guesses each.
Oh, I thought it was
No, I'm not
something
giving
else.
$100. No.
Oh, I didn't know. I
No.
don't know. You were like, it's pretty open-ended, that one.
Made you scared.
Oh, I don't know. It made me scared. Getting that big in there. So you brought in something special, didn't you?
I don't know how special it is. All in the eyes of the beholder, right?
Yeah, but the stuff you do is normally pretty special.
It's okay. It makes me happy.
Well, let's bring it out and see
All right.
what other people think of it.
Did you bring me my models?
No,
Okay.
All right.
I can't even look at
In that case.